Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, towing package, steering wheel controls, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, take a ride in 2012 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, power brakes, headlights auto off, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.